Dear students, Namaste. This is the fourth video for class 11 and your syllabus starts from here. Though it has been done in a very short manner in NCERT, but we will go slightly in a detailed form because these are the things which are going to be used in different competitive examinations and very frequently such things are used. Now, see, you must have seen the complementary angles and supplementary angles in class 7, 8 level. We say that two angles are said to be complementary angles if the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Supplementary angle if their sum is 180 degree. So here we are going to take up complementary angle. Let's suppose that if you are having two angles A and B. So A and B are complementary means what? If you want to express B in terms of A, then you can say B is equal to 90 degree minus A or A is equal to 90 degree minus B. Now we have a few formulae which I have already written to just save your time. I have written sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta, and so on and so forth. These are the 6 formulae we are going to deal today. So, and how actually these things are explained and how we can understand. You can see here in a right angle triangle, let's suppose that ABC with a triangle, angle A is equal to theta. This is 90 degree, this will become 90 degree. 90 degree minus theta. The reason being, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to angle sum property 180 degree. So if this is theta, this is 90, 90 plus theta. So 180 degree minus 90 degree plus theta. Sum of these two will become how much? 90 degree minus theta. That's why this angle. Now if you take up the first one, what is the value of sin 90 degree minus theta? What is the value of sin 90 minus theta? You have seen perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. But in the same triangle, if you take up cos theta, then cos theta is equal to how much? Now if you take theta here, this becomes base, this is hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to AB by AC, meaning sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos. Similarly, let's suppose that you want to go for sec. You are going to have sec 90 degree minus theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta, what is that? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by, because cos का उल्टा होता है. तो आपने कहा hypotenuse. What is this hypotenuse? This is AC. So you can say AC. And what is the base? If you take ABC, if you take and consider this angle, then BC will be taken as base. So what is that? AC divided by BC. But if you see cosec theta, what is cosec theta? If you take cosec theta here, it means that if this angle is taken, this becomes perpendicular and this becomes hypotenuse. So what is that? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. So this becomes how much? Cosec theta. Meaning whatever you want to find out from here, you can always find out. So now we will see how to use it. I have taken one example. I have already given the question that you have to prove that this one, if I say, let's suppose that this is equal to 90 degree. That is, this is left hand side if you are writing. Now, one thing is very clear, that if you are going to take sine square 5 degree plus sine square 85 degree, let's think of the first one. Then you can have sine square 10 degree plus sine square 80 degree and so on and so forth. So sine square 5 and sine square 85. What is sine square 5? Can you write here sine square 5 degree plus cos square 5 degree? I think I am able to reach you. If you have sine 85 degree, it can be written as sine 90 degree minus 5 degree, and that is equal to how much? Cos 5 degree. So this is equal to cos 5 degree and that is equal to 1. So this was the first bracket. Similarly, you can take 10 and 80, then 15 and 75, then 20 and 6, and so on and so forth. So all the groups you will take, it will become, and in between, let's suppose that ऐसे बढ़ते बढ़ते आप कहाँ पहुंच गए? आप पहुंच गए sin 40 पर. याद रखिए 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30, 35, 40. So altogether it is 8. Sine 90 is already given 9. So in between what is left there which has no pairing, that is sine 45 degree. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So what will happen? Altogether you will have 8 pairs, that is 8 brackets, which will give you 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. Sine 90 will give 1, so it becomes 9. And sine 45 is equal to how much? 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. So the whole thing becomes how much? 9.5. So this is the first example. It's very easy example, but such things can always be kept in our mind while similarly while preparing for different competitive examinations. Now the second question. By this time you must have understood. This is second question. Let me take up left hand side. What is sine 25 degree? You can always have sine square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree. Just see, sine 65, sine 90 degree minus 25 degree, which is equal to cos 25 degree. I written cos square 25. So sine 25 cos square 25, trigonometric identities we have already done. Its value is equal to how much? 1. So this will become 1. Now just see these two. Tan 85 is equal to cot 5 degree. Tan 85, 90 minus 5, cot 5. So tan 5 into cot 5 is equal to 1. Then tan 15 and tan 75. Tan 75 becomes cot 70, cot 15. So tan 15 and cot 15, 1. So this is 1, this one is 1, and tan 60 is equal to root 3. So what exactly you are going to have? You are going to have, for this one you are going to have 1, this is root 3, and inside the bracket 1 into root 3, and that is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Similarly, when you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 89, all together just see, when you start pairing, then 1 will be paired with what? 89. Remember, 1 will be odd man out, because see, 1 with 89, 2 with 88, 3 and so on and so forth. What will be there in between which will be left? That is tan 44 and tan 46. These two things will give 90 degree. So every pair will give you 1, 1, 1, 1. Because see, this is what this is not tan 89. ये tan 89 है, लेकिन हमें दिखाई दे रहा है cot 1. इतना आपको डायरेक्ट दिखाई देना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास tan 88 है तो आपको cot 2 दिखाई देना चाहिए. तो ये cot 1 है, tan 1 है, एक साथ ले लेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, 1 हो गया. tan 2 है, cot 2 है, 1 हो गया. tan 3 like that there will be what, from 1 to 44, and in between what is coming? Tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1. So ultimately the whole thing will become 1. Now we are going to take up the fourth example. It's 2 sine 68 degree by cos 22 degree minus 2 cot 15 degree tan 75 degree, 3 tan 45 degree, 20 degree, tan 20 degree, tan 40, tan 50, tan 70 by 5. You have to find its value. See, just see, whenever you see this one, now everything has gone to our mind that no, the whole thing is moving around what? Complementary angles. And you find this 68 and 22. If you are going for 60 sine 68 degree, you can have sine 90 degree minus 22 degree. 68 is equal to 90 degree minus 22. And this is equal to how much? Cos 22 degree. It means that these two things will cancel out. Similarly, if you are going for cot 15 and tan 75, tan 75 again is equal to how much? Cot 15 degree. If you are going for tan 75 degree, so tan 75 degree is equal to how much? Tan 90 degree minus 15 degree, which is equal to how much? Cot 15 degree. Meaning, here you have got, this is equal to 2 cos 22 degree by cos 22 degree minus 2 cot 15 degree by 5 cot 15 degree. You could have converted into tan also, it is your choice. So and minus, so these two things get cancelled, these two things get cancelled, it is 2 minus 5. अब उसके बाद आगे देखिए, tan 45 you don't have to bother, its value is equal to 1. tan 20 and tan 50 are going to give you 1, because tan 50 is equal to how much? Cot 20, and tan 20 into cot 20 is equal to 1. Similarly, this tan 40 and tan 50 will give you 1. Tan 40 and tan 50 will give you 1, because see, these two are complementing. If I am writing tan 40 degree, this is equal to tan 90 minus 50 is equal to cot 40. So this is equal to how much? Cot 50 degree. So cot 50, tan 50 is equal to 1. And similarly, tan 20 and tan 70, this will give you 1. So everything, you are going to use those things very easily, and you can always find its value. Similarly, if you go for this question, again just to see, this is very simple question. It's sine by cos. Think, if I write here, it is sine 20 degree by cos 20 degree, and what is the value of cosec 70 degree? Just see, I am writing here, cosec 70 degree is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is equal to how much? Sec 20 degree. So in place of this, you could have written how much? Sec 20 degree. This is whole square. Sec 20 and cos 20 is equal to 1. So this is sin square 20 degree. Similarly, here you will get cos square 20 degree. साइन स्क्वायर 20 डिग्री, cos स्क्वायर. अब आप 11th में है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा हम फास्ट चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमको इससे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करनी है. बेसिकली पहले 10th में था, इसको हम लोग खींच के 11th में लेके आए हैं. इफ यू वांट, आप इसको रेफर करना चाहते हैं, इस पर बहुत से अधिक क्वेश्चन देखना चाहते हैं, तो गो फॉर माई बुक सृजन मैथमेटिक्स में जाइए, और एक्सरसाइज अभी जो प्रेजेंट एडिशन है उसकी 6.1 में देखिए. देयर आर 15 एग्जाम्पल्स एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग देयर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस. देखिए मेरी किताब का पता नहीं आपने कभी ध्यान से देखा है कि नहीं. उस किताब की सबसे बड़ी तारीफ यही है कि अगर आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देख रहे हैं, उसमें कोई दिक्कत हो रही है, तो आप एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5 देख लीजिए, उसमें वहां आपको हेल्प मिल जाएगा. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में आपको 3 पार्ट हो सकते हैं, 2 पार्ट हो सकते हैं. पार्ट ए एग्जैक्टली वही मिलेगा, जैसा एग्जाम्पल है वैसा क्वेश्चन होगा. बी में जितने भी क्वेश्चन होंगे वो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हैं, और जो सी में होगा वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, हार्ड्स क्वेश्चन होंगे. बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने हिंट देकर रखा है. तो अगर इफ यू आर एस्पायरिंग फॉर 90+, 95+, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज रेफर माई क्लास 10 Srijan Mathematics books. So there are so many questions are given there. Here we are discussing only 5-6 questions. There I think more than 50 questions are given there, more than 70, 55, 60 questions are given there. So as I told you, here tan 15 and tan 75 will give you 1, because tan 75 is equal to cot 15. Tan 37 and tan 53 will, because tan 53 is equal to cot 37. So this will give 1, this will give 1, and tan 60 is equal to √3. Put the value, this is 1. So put the value and get the answer. Here I was not interested in these 2 questions, because these are very simple questions, and it is expected that you will be able to do these questions. I have a very, it's not a tricky question, but this type of questions, you should work out in your mind. You are given a plus b is equal to 90 degree. The question could be given. Just see questions कैसे कैसे दे सकता था, कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन घूमेगा वो देख लीजिए. कर सकता था कि भाई a और b 2 ऐसे एंगल्स हैं which are complementary angles. ये हो गया भाई, a और b complementary हो गया. ये भी कर सकता था कि we have a triangle ABC right angle at C. याद रखिए, किसी किताब में नहीं दिया हुआ. मैंने क्या बोला, एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल है ABC विच इज राइट एंगल एट C, मतलब ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. तो A plus B इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री हो तो गया. मीन्स द सेम कंडीशन कुड बी गिवन इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि कैसे कैसे हम लोग एक ही सिचुएशन को, आंसर वही होगा लेकिन सिचुएशन कैसे बदली जा सकती है. तो आपसे कहा गया है कि a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच 90 डिग्री एंड यू आर सपोज टू प्रूव साइन a प्लस साइन b इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन a cos a. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ जाएंगे तो इसको लोग साइन 2a भी बोलता है. थोड़ा सा ज्ञान और ज्ञानी हो जाएंगे तो ये भी कर सकता था कि प्रूव दैट दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस साइन 2a. डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर हमारे पास साइन ए और साइन बी है और इसको आप स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं तो आप लिखेंगे साइन स्क्वायर ए साइन स्क्वायर बी 2 साइन ए एंड साइन बी. लेकिन अगर आप साइन बी की बात करते हैं तो साइन बी इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 डिग्री माइनस ए. क्यों? क्योंकि a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच cos a. तो आपने एक जो कंडीशन दी हुई है उससे आपने डायरेक्ट निकाल लिया कि भाई देखो हम तो इसको लिख सकते हैं साइन स्क्वायर ए, इसको लिख सकते हैं cos स्क्वायर ए, इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 साइन ए और इसको लिख सकते हैं cos ए. क्यों? ये 1 हो जाएगा और ये जैसे हमने क्या बोला साइन बी इक्वल टू cos है तो यहाँ हो गया 2 साइन ए cos ए. हाँ, अगर ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ देता तो इसकी वैल्यू होती है साइन 2a तो आप ये भी लिख सकते थे 1 प्लस साइन 2a. हालांकि यहाँ पूछा नहीं गया है, लेकिन एक और जो क्वेश्चन है जिसका आपको खूब यूज करना पड़ेगा कहीं भी आप कुछ भी करेंगे, स्पेशली इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस, क्योंकि भी साइन और कोसाइन तो हटा दिया गया है 11 से, लेकिन इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस या डिफरेंट बोर्ड्स के अगर आप हैं तो उसमें ये वाला कंसेप्ट बहुत जबरदस्त यूज होता है. आपसे कहा गया है कि इन ए ट्रायंगल ABC, देखिए in a triangle ABC we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, if you want to have what is B plus C, so you can say B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. This implies that B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2 minus A by 2. This implies that if you want to have cos b plus c by 2, so if you want to have cos b plus c by 2 is equal to cos 90 degree minus a by 2, that is equal to how much? sin a by 2. तो आपने एक अब नया फॉर्मूला देख लिया कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर हमको साइन ए बी प्लस सी बाई 2 है तो cos a by 2 होगा. अगर पहले cos की बात करते हैं, cos b प्लस सी बाई 2 है तो sin a बाई 2 होगा. अगर cos a प्लस b बाई 2 होगा तो sin c बाई 2 होगा. अगर sin a प्लस b बाई 2 है तो cos c बाई 2 होगा. कहने का मतलब है कि cos है तो sin और sin है तो cos. ये एक आपने नया चीज सीख लिया जो आपके दिमाग में लेके चलना है. जस्ट लाइक ए फॉर्मूला. ये यहाँ क्वेश्चन के हम नहीं बता रहे हैं, हम आपको एजुकेट कर रहे हैं कि इसको आप इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस तो जैसे हमको ये दिखाई दे रहा तो आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा होगा? ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा साइन बी प्लस सी बाई 2, हमको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, हमको cos a बाई 2 दिखाई दे रहा है. आपको यहाँ क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? cos b प्लस सी बाई 2. मुझे cos b प्लस सी बाई नहीं दिखाई, हम क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? साइन a बाई 2. cos का साइन, साइन का cos. तो अगर ये ऐसा है तो ये cos a बाई 2 इंटू cos a बाई 2, cos स्क्वायर a बाई 2, sin a बाई 2 इंटू sin a बाई 2, sin स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. मीनिंग sin a plus b by 2 is equal to cos b by 2. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Cot b plus c by 2 is equal to tan a by 2. It's like that. So this is very useful concept which will be used in different questions which are framed for different competitive